Ninakaw ng isang kasambahayang mahigit 1 milyong pisong halaga na mga gintong.
Alam mo, nasa Bible yan, ang kadamutan ay maaagnas ang kayamanan ng mundo ng sanlibutan, ibigay sa mga taong dapat nakikinabang. Kaya ninanakaw. Kasi itong mayaman na to, ganun ang ugali at saka corrupted. For our rich people na corrupt to our poor people as victim, tama lang yan, nakawin niya. Kasi, you know what? Here to coming to the world war train and time, hindi na rin mapapakinabangan yung mga gold na yan. Whatever the world is pride, the everlasting, the competition to our money and material gold and silver, to coming to innocent the world and stupid lust. Ako, mas kakampihan ko pa yung nagnakaw because the reason why, ganun ang lumalabas sa spirit. Something problem and stupid victim the world about